Ah, what a lovely morning. Welcome back mga taka-DIY here in Bagak, Bataan. The rain has stopped pero presko pa din ang hangin dito sa tabing dagat. Ito yung mga simpleng bagay na nakakapagpa-relax sa umaga. Breeze of air, hot coffee, and the scenery. Don't get me wrong hindi ko namimiss ang maglayag. I just really appreciate nature like the mountain passes na pinuntahan namin kahapon. Morning guys, it's our day 2 dito sa Bukay, Bataan. Today itinerary is we're planning to go to this Small Haven Falls. Katabi to sa farm ng kakilala namin dito. So samahan nyo kami and hope that you will enjoy the scenery as much as we are enjoying this nature tripping. Nakakatuwang panoorin yung tulungan ng mga bangkero dito pagka dry dock na yung bangka nila. Actually it's around 6:30 in the morning and bumabalik na yung mga naglaot kagabi. And kaya kami nandito is tingnan namin baka may mabibili kaming isda or pusit. Okay, ready na. Naka-dry dock na siya. After coffee by the seaside, as usual, we took a hefty breakfast. Then off to the falls. Then ride back home papuntang Malolos. Morning again guys. We are now on the way dun sa nasabi ng falls. And probably after nun, diretso na ulit tayo ng Malolos.
I just wanna know how you feel, baby. I just wanna go where your love take me. I'm losing my sanity, you take me under. For you I surrender, you're making me land on other side of gravity. Boy, you got me under. Boy, you got me fond of. Yeah, boy, you got me in love. I can't ignore it. I wish you noticed me. I wish you knew the emotion provoked in me. Let me live. Let me live again. I'll take no more from you. You got my soul. Oh, you let me fly. You let me go. Oh, now you go.
A few moments later.
Okay guys, we're already here sa entrance nung sinasabi papuntang falls, no? Kaya lang medyo kailangan ng lakad kasi maputik, hindi libre yung mga motor namin. From where we park, we need to walk for about 5 to 10 minutes more para ma-reach namin yung So the plan now is to enjoy na muna yung scenery dun sa falls. Dito na rin kami magsha-shower. Dito na rin kami manggagaling before lunch. Ayun, rinig na yung batis dito, yung takdaloy ng tubig. Medyo maputik ang area kasi maghapong umulan dito sa Bataan kahapon, so we need to take extra care on every step. Siyempre, ayan yung aking Body videographer. Nag-abot. Due to heavy rain kahapon, we have to be careful going down by the falls. So ayan, nakita niyo yung baba na yan, dun kami pupunta. And so we reach our destination, guys. The falls area or yung river area has two parts. Yung lower part ng falls at saka yung upper part. Yung sa lower part ng falls, yun yung una kong pupuntahan, so I can see what does the falls looks like pag nasa baba. And then afterwards, I will go upstream para doon naman tayo magtatampisaw and doon na din tayo siguro mag-shower. We're almost there. Konti na lang. Meron ng man-made na staircase dito sa gilid going to the falls. Kaya lang, ayoko dito. Doon ako maliligo sa kabila.
Kuha lang ka ako ng picture. Kasi sabi ang lalim niya is 3 tao.
Ay, walang kaso. Kung 3 tao, ano lang yun, 15 feet lang yun eh.
Pero sa hindi mo kapitado kasi.
Yung Agos.
Mahirap.
Tsaka yung Agos.
O, sa Malacan. Kaya doon lang tayo.
Ah, welcome. Ano tawag sa falls na to? Actually, this is like a hidden sanctuary here in Bagak, you know? And the nice thing here, yun na, yung falls, yung river, the rock formations, no? Kaya lang, hindi ko tatangkaing talunin, no, dahil may agos. Dito katulad ng training pool namin sa Cavite. Lilipat naman ako dun sa kabila where the water is coming from, no? Dun ako maliligo to take my shower, to freshen up. Yan, ito ngayon yung aakyatin ko. Man-made staircases going up. Yan, para makapunta ako dun, parating ako dun. This falls is really relaxing. While in the water, di maalis sa isip ko how lucky we are na napupuntahan natin ang mga lugar na tulad nito. Tahimik, refreshing, and feel mo na kaisa ka with nature. And sana, when time comes, makabalik ka uli dito in the future. Lamig. Hey guys, I think we are already done with our tour here in Bagak, Bataan. And babalik na kami ng Malolos. The area is good. Talon, yung Bisay Talon is a good place for relaxing. Hindi pa siya masyadong putahin tao. Malinis, well preserved.
We've spent 2 days in Bagak Bataan. So it means 2 days of sun, 2 days of rain, sand, sea, mountains, of course, 2 days of fun.
So surely babalik kami rito. And hopefully it will be soon. Okay, see you guys. Ingat kami pag-uwi.
There are many things we have learned during this trip. Now we learn to appreciate more the nature. And then pangalawa, we learned patience. Will show you beautiful things around you. And pangatlo, that friendship will bring you everywhere. So paano? Next biyahe na lang ulit mga ka-DIY.
Thank you for watching, guys, and hope to see you again. Just like, subscribe, and click that bell button. Plus, leave comment. See you.